all business activities involve risk. See, the business people are always worrying about this factor. See, there is a one-point solution for giving them confidence to continue their business. That is insurance. See, the insurance, we can say it is an arrangement made by some companies or the state to provide compensation on the happening of specific risks. So the insured event happens, the company or the business will be compensated financially. See, the companies which are providing insurance are called insurer, and those who are taking insurance are called insured. So insurance, insurer, and insured. So, then there is a cost of insurance, just like a loan. There is a cost of loan, just like that. Here there is a cost of insurance, that is called premium. So we have to pay an amount of money to the insurance company. Against that, they will be providing insurance. See, actually, the insurance companies are working on the basic system of pooling of risk. I will tell you an example. See, there is a raffle. You might have heard about the Dubai raffle, like that, or the football pool. See, those who are participating in the raffle, we can say thousands of people are contributing to the pool conducted by the raffle company. And the selected one or the luckiest ones are getting prize from the raffle company. So the winners will be getting prize from the raffle company. Insurance is also working in the same way, but reverse. We have to see, but in reverse. Here, the luckiest one is not getting the compensation. Actually, the unfortunate is paid by the fortunate. See, about the raffle, we can say lucky ones are paid by the unlucky. But about the insurance company, the unfortunate is paid by the fortunate. See, the person who is getting compensation from the insurance company, he lost everything. Maybe he lost his business. Fire might have burned down his business. So the person who is getting compensation from the insurance company is not at all lucky. He is not at all fortunate. He is the unfortunate one. He is the unlucky one. So now it is clear, insurance is working on the basic system of pooling of risk. See, the risk is shared by a huge number of people who have been contributing premium to the insurance company or the insurance pool. The insurance pool is run by the insurance company. And suppose, before that I have to tell you about the risks. There are calculable risks and non-calculable risks. The insurance company will provide compensation or provide insurance to the calculable risks only. See, the insurance company will allow to insure only if the risks are calculable. That means non-calculable risks are not insurable. Then I have told you that if the risk happens, insurance company will provide compensation, financial compensation. They can compensate only by giving finance. So financial compensations are paid by the insurance company if the insured matter happens or the insured risk happens, or at the occurrence of the happening of or the occurrence of the insured event. On the occurrence of the insured event, the insured will be compensated by the insurance company. But there are certain principles to be observed. Then only insurance company will provide compensation, will give compensation. See, what are the principles? We have to see the principles of insurance. First one we can say utmost good faith. The second one is insurable interest, and the third one indemnity, and the fourth one is proximate cause. See, these are the principles of insurance. These principles will have to be observed by the insurer and the insured. Then only compensation will be provided. See, at most good faith